What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. This is day 8, which we just finished our smoothie challenge, our 7-day only smoothies and fruit eating extravaganza. Yeah, and tea, you right. And I'm glad it's over.
So glad.
I'm glad. I don't know if I ever do that shit again.
I'm not, for sure. I'm gonna be real.
Maybe like once or twice out the week. Like, you know what I mean? Do like a smoothie day. Something like that. But I don't think 7 days. But let's just say we lost a great amount of weight though.
Yeah, definitely.
Like it's definitely worth it. How much weight did you lose?
I lost 7 pounds.
7 pounds. That's crazy.
Yeah.
1 week, 7 pounds. And I lost the same exact amount of weight. I lost 7 pounds too, which is crazy. So I started this at 412. Came in weighing at 405.2. So a little bit off of the 7 pounds, but 7 pounds nonetheless. I rounded up, you know what I mean, make myself feel a little better. You know what I'm saying?
Right. And I started at 219 and now I'm 212, so exactly 7 pounds.
Hell yeah. It feels good. It feels good. You know, and we would have showed y'all the weigh-in, but we came to realize our scale is trash.
Yeah,
like there was times that it was during this time of weighing ourselves, because we were weighing ourselves like every day, and it would show different weights all the time. So we ended up having to go to the gym and weighing ourselves, and we didn't record it. And so next time we'll make sure to record it when we weigh ourselves. We're ordering a new scale so we can be on point and be able to show y'all the weight loss so you can see how legit this shit really is.
Right.
But if you're wondering how much weight can you lose doing a smoothie diet, well, for me it was 7 pounds.
Right, 7 pounds.
For her, 7 pounds in 1 week. 1 week, that's not bad. So if you need to drop 7 pounds, you need to go to a wedding or some shit, do that smoothie diet, you know what I'm saying?
It's gonna be rough, but you gotta stick with it.
Hell yeah, but I mean, I think it's a good kickstart regardless. If you're trying to drop some weight, it's a cool little kickstart to get you looking at the scale, seeing some weight dropping off, and like, cause it motivated me to keep going. Like this, cause the last day we haven't been doing the smoothie diet, we finished it out. And like the way when I eat stuff, like, oh yeah, I'm cool. You know what I mean?
Right. You feel like when you do eat, you feel like you ain't supposed to be eating that.
Right. So it kind of puts your mind in check to say like making healthier choices after you done felt good off of eating smoothies and green smoothies and nutritious type stuff. So yeah, if you're wondering about doing it, I say yeah, go ahead and do it. You know what I mean? And then let us know how it goes if you try it out. So drop something down in the comments. If you do try it out, let us know how much weight you lost. You know what I mean? Give us a shout out, something, you know? But as always, make sure you thumbs up if you like the videos. Make sure to click the subscribe button. Down here, I never understand where it's really at. One day I'm gonna get it though. You know what I mean? So we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
10 pounds, 50 pounds, 100 pounds, fuck it now. Let's just not even discuss it now. OMG, I'm in the gym, and fuck it, man, I'm going in. I ain't going through this shit again.